This is a multiple baseline design targeting 3 different behaviors. The treatment or independent variable was that use of a token economy. The first targeted behavior was the frequency of staying in your lunch seat for 3 continuous minutes. On day 4, the intervention was introduced. It had no effect, the token economy, on the behavior, but after day 4, the desired behaviors did rise, and they kind of dipped, kind of stayed steady, a steady rate of response. Based on that steady rate of response, I introduced the intervention to the second behavior of number of math problems completed. During the baseline data taken, the student completed between 1 and 4 math problems. Day 8, the independent variables introduced, and once again, his level of responses stayed the same. But then it increased and started to level off. On day 13, there was a dip in the number of problems completed, with then a rise on day 14. Maybe day 13 was sleepy, or another variable was playing a part in why he didn't do as well. The third behavior was number of greeting responses. Baseline data was taken from day 1 to day 10 with responses from 1 to 3. Once again, the first day of intervention, there was no change. That was true for all 3 behaviors. But after that first day, the second day of intervention, the behaviors did once again rise and then level off. Based on this leveling off, if I were to continue with this experiment, I would limit the reinforcers. For example, for math problems completed, that would be the only time he could trade in his tokens for an iPad. And I would do the same thing for the other 2 behaviors to try to increase the rate of response. But as you can see from the data shown here, the independent variable token economy worked at increasing positive behaviors in this student.